What is up, dudes? It is time to say goodbye to the EFX MotoHavocs and say hello to the new System 3 XT300s from Dragonfire. These are 33 by 10 by 15s on HD4 black machine wheels, and they look sweet. They measure right now 32 5/8, not quite 33 inches, but they do measure about right at 10 inches from the side of the lug to this side of the lug. 10 inches exactly. So they got that right, but it's not quite 33 inches. But man, they got a much wider footprint. Pretty aggressive tread. These are going to be excellent trail tires. Excellent in some decent mud, you know. I'm sure with that close pattern, they may cake up a little bit in some of that clay, peanut butter mud. But really, we're going to be doing a whole lot of river riding and some sand. A lot of sand, sandy conditions, some soft sand. So with this big heavy bike, you definitely need the wider footprint for those conditions. Like I said, let's flash back to those MotoHavocs, and we'll talk about them for a second. And then we'll come back to these tires and we'll test them out. Man, what a tire. I mean, just look at that, dude. Look super good. I bet they look good on every unit you could put them on. Razors, Mavericks, probably Sportsmans. It's a great looking tire. It's just like it's an ag style tire, a lot like the BKTs and stuff, but you get this check mark print. You have a lot more surface contact with these, so they're even smoother, and they're smooth in reverse, and you actually get a little more traction in reverse with that check mark coming back up. You got something for the that it's going to contact the ground and pull with. So that's a really cool design. Nothing else out there like it. They ride real smooth on hard pack. We got to try them in a little bit of red clay. The sad thing is we can't give you an honest review of how they do in big, thick, nasty mud. I'm getting rid of them before I really want to. But I've had an offer come up that I couldn't pass up, so that's why I'm getting rid of them. And but man, I really like them. But these were not the original tires that I wanted to get for what we do. Yes, we do mud riding, as you've seen on our channel. But as you're about to see over the next few months, we're going to be doing a lot more sand river riding terrain at our local river, and a lot of trail riding at our hunting club. And yes, these will probably do great. These will probably do just fine. But I'm really, really interested to see how the System 3 310s are going to do. That was my original tire choice, but they were out of stock when I ordered these, and I was impatient. But I'm glad I got to try these out. Very impressed with them. Yes, I would buy them again. I'm probably going to wish I had them when it comes back to the winter time when we're doing nothing but mud riding. So I can't tell you a whole lot with them other than they trail ride great. I'm sure they mud ride great, and love those fuel rims. But anyways, I think I got a little sand footage clip from that one time we did go to a Silver Creek. All Alright, this is the first test on uncharted territory here at Silver Creek. We found a very soft spot. Didn't even press the gas, it just sunk straight down. That's a 33-inch tire and it's almost disappeared. These are the EFX Motohavocs, a 2,200 pound machine. We're gonna see if it'll back out. Probably not, but we'll see. Pow pow. But anyhow, you can check out a couple of ride videos where we took these out. They're still brand new, still got the sticker on them. Absolutely no wear. I'm sure they're a great tire, guys. And I've enjoyed them for what little bit I've had them. But it's time to put on them System 3 310s. So